Honeywell Thermostats, type of thermostat. The industry surrounding the production of thermostats has provided for all the needs and demands of a 21st century home. Thermostats are modern and work in sync with computers, cell phones, and other technologies. They can be a part of a home maintenance system and be included in the security settings for a location. Thermostats can regulate temperature, humidity, and play a role in fire and smoke protection for your home. Essentially, the industry has divided thermostats into three kinds. There are programmable, non-programmable, and Wi-Fi thermostats. All three of these are offered by Honeywell and provide for the comfort of any dwelling, office, or storage space. Programmable Honeywell thermostats. Honeywell currently offers between 24 and 30 programmable thermostats, depending on where you are in the world. Because the average household in Alabama spends thousands of dollars each year on energy, a programmable thermostat will help to limit this expenditure. Using a programmable thermostat is a good way of reducing a carbon footprint and total cost. Since the goal in using a programmable thermostat is to reduce the outlay of money for energy and at the same time heat and cool your home adequately, it will be important to choose a thermostat that allows for multi-stage heating and cooling. You will also want good technical support and an easy-to-use design flow. Honeywell consistently performs well in the top 10 list of programmable thermostats on the market. In terms of actual temperature control, a Honeywell thermostat will be able to quickly switch between using the furnace or a radiant system. Thermostats are intended to reduce the degree of temperature swing in an environment. Small temperature swings will provide the best comfort levels, but may call for more action from the system, which results in a higher energy cost. If a large temperature swing is allowed, say 2 to 5 degrees either way, then less energy is used. Of course, with larger temperature swings, the occupants of the space will have to get accustomed to the temperature changes. For some, this may be a challenge. A Honeywell programmable thermostat will allow you to monitor your dwelling from a distance and also allow for the control of certain factors such as humidity, away scheduling, auto scheduling for visits from family and friends, feedback in regard to overall use of energy, and sensor integration. A thermostat may also tell you about maintenance scheduling and remind you at crucial times. Many Honeywell programmable thermostats may be self-installed. A professional installation is always preferred, but for the avid do-it-yourself person, there are many installation guidebooks available to the consumer. Non-programmable thermostats. Thermostats have become very sophisticated over the years. However, it may surprise you to discover that the non-programmable thermostat is still the most often installed and used thermostat on the market. The reason for this is its simplicity of design and function. The purpose of the thermostat is to set what heating and air conditioning folks call the set point. This is the exact point at which the home is made comfortable for all the inhabitants. A programmable thermostat will search for this set point within preset design parameters. A non-programmable thermostat requires a manual adjustment for the set point to be reached. It turns out that even in this amazing age of technology and convenience, the average Alabama homeowner just wants simplicity, effectiveness, and something that works. That little round thermostat that everybody knows about and is used for decades is still the most often used thermostatic control object on the market. If you have a simple one-level home with no added mechanicals such as a dehumidifier, then a non-programmable thermostat is really all you may need. Your home has what is known as a one-stage heat-cool system, and a non-programmable thermostat can be very effective. Another consideration to think about in regard to non-programmable thermostats is the type of user interface you may want or need. The manner in which you read the information being given to you as a homeowner and how you interact with that information is very important. You may choose to use a round mechanical dial. Rotating the wheel may very well be the simplest way to set the temperature of the room. These kinds of thermostats are not precise, but easy to use. Another form of thermostat is the mechanical slider. This is usually rectangular in shape and requires moving a small slider higher or lower. A digital readout screen is also used in homes, office, and other places of business. Usually, the screen and information are quite large and easy to read. The non-programmable ones will have buttons for date and time, filter change, backlight, and other features. A touchscreen non-programmable thermostat is a recent development in technology. It has buttons and they are part of the digital readout. All you have to do is tap and swipe the touchscreen to set temperature and other features. Wi-Fi thermostats. The price of energy has increased over the years, and the technology that governs the use of that energy in an Alabama home has grown also. Wi-Fi thermostats can be operated using a home computer, laptop, or cell phone. It uses smart technology that actually learns your habits and adjusts your energy consumption to provide the minimal amount of energy necessary to meet your needs and expectations. The popularity and efficiency of Wi-Fi technologies has made this kind of environmental control very affordable. The convenience of this kind of control allows a user to be anywhere in the world and still able to remotely control their home or business environment. The Wi-Fi thermostat offered by Honeywell consistently performs in the top 5 listings of thermostats around the world. It excels in temperature control and energy management. In addition, the customer support is excellent. If you have any questions regarding your home thermostat, please call Freedom Heating and Cooling at 205-444-4444.
The most comfortable call you can make. Freedom Heating.